Salt and pepper shrimp. Kakaiba naman para hindi naman puro tayo buttered shrimp, right? First is nagpainit tayo ng oil at doon natin ipa-fry yung ating shrimp na may mixture ng 3 tablespoons cornstarch at half teaspoon na salt. So fry natin yung ating shrimp for a total of 3 minutes. So 1.5 minutes per side and set it aside. Ipa-fry natin siya by batch. Hindi natin ika-crowd yung ating pan just to make sure na crispy pa rin. Tanggalin natin yung oil at magtitira lang tayo ng 2 tablespoons para sa ating mga ingredients. At isi-stir fry natin to ng 2 to 3 minutes. At lalagyan natin ng pinch lang ng ating mixture ng seasoning in which nilista ko rin naman doon sa ating ingredients list. At isusunod na natin yung ating shrimps. Make sure lang na high heat tayo all the time para hindi siya magiging soggy. Lalagyan na lang natin siya ng konting pinch na lang ng seasoning dahil nga nagsiseasoning tayo along the way. So konti na lang ang ating i-add at maglalagay lang tayo ng garnish na spring onions. And it's done. Ready to serve. Thank you guys.